In today's video, we are going to be unboxing an Artstyle watch band similar to this one. This is a NATO style. We will be unboxing another one of those to fit this watch. These two watches over here have smaller bands. So I've previously purchased from Artstyle through Amazon these two. And the nice thing about these sets is they come with 2 extra spring pins and a tool to remove the spring pins if you ever need to do that to change bands or whatever. So that's what we're doing today, so stay tuned. So we're going to get right into it here. It comes, since it's ordered through Amazon, it comes in an Amazon package, but the address comes directly from the Artstyle company, it appears. So we are going to just open this right up here. Let's see, is there a, yeah, okay. So you're going to cut this here and see what this looks like. Okay. Let's see here. Here we are. So we're going to take it out of its bag here. And this one also comes with a tool to remove the pins and 2 extra pins, which is nice because then if you ever need extras, you have them. So we'll pull this tag off of here and get it out here and take a look at it. Let's see. Now it does appear to be a very long watch band, but I have small wrists, so there is extra when I wear them. But you know, they're still nice. I'll make a whole video, I think, explaining why this type of watch band is supposed to be better than the other type. But we'll see what I do with that. So let's open here. So here we are. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I have purchased these type of bands before for my other watches, and I like them very much. This one especially is on the watch that I wear all the time. So this is the olive drop. This is the blue. These came together as a 2-pack, so it was $10 for both of these. And then it came with the tool and the extra spring pins. So there's 4 extra pins and the tool along with 2 watch bands. And then this time I guess since the band was a bigger size, it was around $10 for this one, and it also comes with 2 extra spring pins and another tool. So my overall first impressions are very good. I like this one already. We'll see how it goes on the watch. I'll probably do a video showing how to switch them around and stuff. I really like the band that's on this one right now, but the thing here is, I'll explain the difference now instead of another video, is this band is connected to the 2 spring pins. So if you're wearing this watch and one of the pins were to break or fall out, then you no longer have the watch. The watch will just fall off your wrist because there's nothing holding it. It's just connected, and then one of the pins breaks, and so it falls off here instead of coming apart where it's supposed to. It comes off there, and you could lose your watch. These are a different type of band. They you take your watch, you remove the band that's on it, you put the pins back in. Then you take your band, you undo it, and you run it through here, like so, and then all the way down to where you want it, and then through the other one. Let's see here. Come on. There we go. So then you run it through here like this, and that keeps it, because if one of the pins breaks, it's still ran through and it's still holding on. So that is just about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and we will catch you on the next one.